श्लोका नंबर 41 ग्रार्थ ज्ञान ये भेदा परे नात्मनि विद्यते चिदानंदैक रूप त्वादीप्यते स्वमेव हि. There are no distinctions such as knower, the knowledge, and the object of knowledge in the Supreme Self on account of its being of the nature of endless bliss. It doesn't admit of such distinctions within itself, it alone shines by itself. Number 42 एवमात्मा रणौ ध्यानमथने सततं कृते उदिता व गति ज्वाला सर्वाज्ञानेन धनम दहेत. When this is the lower and the higher aspects of the self are well churned together, the fire of knowledge is born from it, which in its mighty conflagration shall burn down all the fuel of ignorance in us. Shloka number 43 अरुणेव बोधेन पूर्वं स तमसे हृते तत् अविभेदा वेदात्मा स्वमेव वाञ्छुमानेव. The Lord of the early dawn himself has already looted away the thick darkness. When soon the sun rises, the divine consciousness of the self rises. When the right knowledge has already killed the darkness in the number 44 आत्मा तु सततम प्राप्तो अप्यय प्राप्त वद विद्या तन्नाशे प्राप्त वद भाति स्वकंठा भरणम. Atma is an ever present reality, yet because of ignorance it is not realized. On the destruction of ignorance, Atma is realized. It is like the missing ornament of one's 45 sthano purusha vat bhrantaya krita brahmanai जीवता जीवस्य तात्विके रूपे तस्मिन् दृष्टे निवर्तते. Brahman appears to be a jiva because of ignorance, just as a ghost appears to be a ghost. The egocentric individuality is destroyed when the real nature of the jiva is realized as the self. 46 tat swarupanubhavat utpannam ज्ञानमज्जसा अहम ममेति चाज्ञानम बाधते तिक भ्रमा दिवत. The ignorance characterized by the notions I and mine is destroyed by the knowledge produced by the realization of the true nature of the self, just as right information removes the wrong notion about the directions. 47 सम्य विज्ञान वान योगी स्वात्मन्ये वाखिलं स्थितम् एकं च सर्वमात्मा न मीक्षते ज्ञानचक्षुषा. The yogi of perfect realization and enlightenment sees through his eyes of wisdom, Jnana Chakshu, the entire universe in his own self, and regards everything else as his own self and nothing else. Shloka number 48 आत्मैवेदं जगत् सर्वमा मात्मनो अन्यन् किंचिन मृदो यद्वद् हठादीनि स्वात्मानं सर्व मीक्षते. Nothing whatever exists other than the Atma. The tangible universe is barely Atma, as pots and jars are barely made of clay and cannot be said to be anything but clay. So too the enlightened soul, and that is perceived, is the number 49 जीवन मुक्तस्तु तद्विद्वा पूर्वोपाधि गुणान् त्यजेत सा सच्चिदादि धर्मत्वं भेजे भ्रमरकीटवत्. A liberated one endowed with self-knowledge gives up the traits of his previously explained equipments upadhis, and because of his nature of the Satchit Anand, he barely becomes Brahman, like the worm that grows to be a wasp. 50 तीर्थवा मोहार्णम हत्वा रागद्वेषादि राक्षसान योगी शांति समायुक्त आत्मारामो विराजते. After crossing the ocean of delusion and killing the monsters of like and dislikes, the yogi who is united with peace dwells in the glory of his own realized self as an Atmaram.